Are you a freelancer, a small business owner, or maybe an entrepreneur with a big idea? And are you tired of the high fees, complex processes, and endless paperwork that come with traditional business banking? If you answered yes, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving into how you can open a business account with Tide, the UK's leading digital business banking platform. It's a game changer, designed to make your financial life simple, fast, and stress-free. So, let's get straight to it. Opening a Tide account is incredibly easy and can be done right from your phone or computer. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Tide app from either the App Store or Google Play, or simply visit their website. Once you have the app or the website open, you'll see an option to open a business account. Click on that. The process is a breeze, and it's designed to be intuitive. Next, you'll be asked to provide some basic information. This includes your name, email address, and phone number. Tide will send you a verification code to your phone, so make sure you have it handy. This is a crucial step to ensure the security of your account. After that, you'll need to provide some details about your business. This is where you'll tell Tide about your business name, structure, and what you do. Whether you're a sole trader, a limited company, or a partnership, Tide has you covered. Now, for the identity verification part. This is a standard procedure for all financial institutions. Tide makes it super simple. You'll be asked to upload a photo of a valid ID, like a passport or a driver's license, and maybe a quick video selfie. It sounds more complicated than it is. The app guides you through every step, and it's over in a minute. This is all to comply with regulations and keep your account safe from fraud. Once you've submitted all your information, Tide's team will review your application. This usually takes just a few minutes, sometimes up to a couple of hours. You'll receive a notification as soon as your account is approved. And just like that, you're a part of the Tide community. Once approved, you can immediately start using your new account. You'll get a sort code and account number, and you can order a physical MasterCard debit card which will arrive in the post within a few days. You can also connect your account to your accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, or Free Agent, and even create and send professional invoices right from the app. And that's it. You've successfully opened a Tide business account. It's a straightforward, digital-first experience that ditches the old-school banking hassle and lets you focus on what really matters, growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.